Hi, my name is Kimmy Stoltz. I'm here with Chef Phil, and we're here representing Juicery Rx. So Juicery Rx, we are an apothecary-inspired juice bar and cafe eatery. So one of the things that we love to do is looking at how ingredients really make an impact on our health. So what does that mean? We actually look at the ingredients, understand the mechanism of how it's helping our biochemistry and making sure that it's palatable, that everyone can enjoy. I'm a pharmacist, and a few years ago, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition. And that really is what led to this passion of understanding food and how food is information. It's not just a source of energy and nutrients, it's really about the foods that we consume on a daily basis and the information and the messaging that it gives to our body.
So today we are going to present one of our real popular juices. It's called Aristotle. It has pineapple juice in it, spinach and arugula, orange juice, ginger, and lemon juice.
What's really unique about being able to source produce that's much more local instead of getting something that's across the country, besides the taste profile, we're also looking at the nutrient profile. You're getting this juice, which another company can provide the same exact juice, but we're taking in the time to really determine that the level of nutrients in each product is at its optimum.
So we're gonna mix our Aristotle right here. So basically what we have right here is we have our fresh Costa Rican pineapple juice. And then we have our greens, which is arugula and spinach. And then we have our acid, which is the orange juice, lemon juice, and fresh ginger. Give it a little whirl.
It's a beautiful green. We're gonna bottle the juice. Everything that we do is actually done in-house. We don't send out our product elsewhere to be done, so that makes us really unique, and that also ensures that our product is fully fresh. From here, what we like to do is offer to our customers the option of adding in herbal extracts, just to give it a boost and to help support the immune system, as well as bringing down inflammation for the customer. This is the Aristotle with turmeric and elderberry tincture. Eating healthy doesn't have to be bland. It can be tasteful, it can be vibrant and full of life. And as you can see here with our Blue Magic smoothie, our chromosome bowl, and our Aristotle juice, we have a lot of options that is available. Come check us out at Juicery Rx. Our handle is at Juicery Rx. Thank you for joining us in Taste Kitchen today.